Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use find and replace option in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up Google Docs here, okay, and then you need to click on the first link here and then click on this option where it says go to Docs, and basically it will show you some templates here, but we will not use templates, so just wait for it to open up. And then basically when you get on this page here, you just need to tap on this blank page, so this will insert a blank page in Docs for us. Okay, so I will just insert some text here and I will increase its size a little bit like this one. Okay, now if you want to use the find and replace option, what you're gonna have to do, basically just go to this option here, edit, then find and replace. Now let's suppose if if I wanted to replace this was word with someone else, so I will type here was and it will find all of the was in this whole sentences here. Okay, and then I will enter that word with which I want to replace this was with. So let's suppose I want to show here hello, then I will click on replace all, and you can see that was is replaced with this word like here and here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.